We back with another video. You already know how we got started off. That nice cold start. I do not put your hair in a ponytail.
No, you don't.
I can do it right now.
Do it.
Say less. Let me cut the clip. That's the most stupidest bananas.
Yeah. I don't have another thing.
I don't have another thing. Why not just have your hair out?
Cause it's hot.
It's hot. It says the one wearing the long sleeve.
I don't have another shirt.
I don't have another. That's my shirt, actually. What's good, y'all? We back with another video. It's just me and my girl today. We're just chilling, hanging out. About to go to the store, pick up some things. That's pretty much it for the video, honestly. I got some updates for y'all. A little something. Not too special, but a little something. But she's still struggling over here trying to fix her hair. So let's get it started. So we got our local Target. And what we looking for?
Drano.
We looking for some Drano because she clogged up the sink.
No, not at all.
With her hair. We couldn't get it unclogged, so we gotta get some Drano so we can clear up the sink because of her.
It's from your beard.
It's from my beard. I don't even have a beard. For the ones that seen my video, I got some little hair. It's not a full beard because I haven't cut it yet. As soon as I cut it and then grow back, then it might be like a nice beard, but I haven't cut it since I started growing it. Or since it started growing. I haven't been growing it on purpose, but I don't know if I'm gonna get copyrighted because of the video. I mean for the store music. So I'm gonna cut this short just in case. I think we found out though. Hold up. Red Eye though, hold up. Red Eye looking clean out there. Look at that joint. Hold up. Okay. Nice looking joint. Okay, you ready for me? Let's get it. Oh, that was a nice little pull up right there. I was like, oh, damn, I gotta make this U-turn and drive with him for a little bit. All right, y'all, so we made a little quick pit stop. I seen a nice little car place right here. A while ago, I came by here. They had a GTR for sale for $40,000. It was a nice little GTR, and they got a nice little couple cars out here though. Just like the regular lineup right here. And then the very front, they got some nice build cars in the front. That V8 looking sweet. But this is the joint I saw right here. The i8 is what made me come in this joint. You got the M6. I think that's the M6 right there. That i8 looking crazy, boy. And you got the yeah, that's the M6. All right, bet. Yeah, the M6 look crazy too. With the black top on there, you got a 5.0 GT with caliper covers. Yeah, those are caliper covers right there. There go your Mustang, babe.
I want the i8.
You want the i8?
Yeah,
I don't think.
Oh, I'll take this.
We don't got i8 money. It's a M6.
I'll take this.
We can probably ask somebody who work here how much they really charging for some of these cars. You got an Audi TT. This is one of my favorite Audis too. It's a what? M3? M2? What is it? I don't know my BMW, y'all, so that's a nice one. You got another Audi right here. A Lexus. Another Mercedes. Another Beamer right here. This one got real brakes right here though. Some AMG brakes right there. These ain't nasty.
I was just about to say
that joint, this ain't alright. It's alright, but that M6, it's an M3? Yeah, oh, that's what it was, M3. Okay, there we go. And you got the, it's the RCF, I think. I think that's the name of it, the RCF. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's a Lexus 350. Okay. Like I say, yeah, I ain't into all the other cars. I know about them, but I don't know their names and stuff like that. This ain't got a dent in it right here. It's a big dent right there. Well, I don't know, babe. You got this Mustang GT got the red interior.
I know, I was looking at that like, damn, this don't.
With the little red calipers and stuff, the little fake red calipers. Now I think I'm gonna order some caliper covers too. And they got the Rubicon over here. They got some trucks, some Range Rovers. This might gotta be the thumbnail right here though. That thing looking iffy. Yo, we at Top Golf right now. I can't talk too much because it is music playing in the background. So I'm gonna get some nice little cinematic clips here and there. And yeah, we gonna wrap it up just like that. So I just played my first game of Top Golf ever, me and my girl, and I can just say that I was probably the worst player out there. I came in last place. I ain't gonna show y'all my points, but I was completely terrible. My boy 392 Sonic, he died like did me dirty. He won the match.
Got the dub.
He got the dub. So you know, I think
I'm good at golf and racing.
Oh, for real? Say love. We got catch on the racing side. I don't know. Babe, what place you come in?
I came in third.
You came in third?
You came in third.
Yeah, I came in third.
Yeah, I came in dead last, so I ain't even gonna speak about it. Cloudy with the flex. Look at the lights though. We gonna get on the Do the Dash interview, man. They waiting for it. They say they want a Hellcat to do the dash on the interview, bro.
Oh, it's whenever.
It's whenever? I'm off tomorrow. What's up?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so bad. He said tomorrow. I'm gonna hold on to his word. We gonna get to Do the Dash interview in the Hellcat, y'all. So that's the Hellcat right here. Make sure you follow him on Instagram. Yes, sir. So y'all already know how we coming. Oh, you gotta get some revving?
Get the license plate.
Alright. Woo.
They bringing their cars over here.
You too.
Tell him I said bye. I got my son waiting at home, so I gotta go.
Oh, yeah, girl.
Oh yeah, y'all already know the vibe. Follow the Brody. So this how we riding tonight. That ain't crazy. You got it lowered?
Yeah, I'm on iBike.
So you got springs versus coilovers,
Yeah,
right?
because coilovers ruin the active suspension, so I did springs.
Alright, see, I'm glad somebody told me that because I ain't know that.
Yeah.
So I might do springs for my car too. It might be time for us to roll out. Alright, we gotta go.
Thank you. Thanks for coming out. Appreciate y'all's service.
Alright, let's roll out. Popo say we gotta go. Uh,